Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Gemini, A sign. This is October weekly reading. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Gemini, A sign. What are the messages for you and what's going on? Maybe you're dealing with Scorpio. Under the deck, Two of Swords, 10 of Swords, Page of Swords, and Star. Maybe you're dealing with Aquarius here. You're wishing, you're hoping for something here. And a lot of spying is going. Maybe you are spying on them on social media or they are spying on you. Something is not good in this relationship. There are some issues going right now between you and your person. You are feeling tired here. You are energetically totally drained here, Gemini. At the same time, you are at some crossroads. You want to make some decision, but right now you can't because you have no clarity at all. That's why you are at some crossroads. You don't know which decision you have to take. Let's see your reading, Gemini. Recent past, Knight of Cups, Nine of Wands, and Seven of Cups. For some, you have options, but you don't know which one you have to choose. And for some, you are in confusion. I think lots of you are in confusion because they always giving you false hopes. There is no stability, no clarity from your person's side. And for some, a brand new person is already entered in your life. Definitely you have options for some. From your side, you have very strong emotions towards this person. That's why you're feeling heartbroken here because the present, the Tower, Death, and Page of Cups. Definitely it is a Tower moment for you. The separation or whatever happening right now between you and your person, it is a Tower moment for you. Yeah, lots of it is a one type of ending. You are in a very difficult situation right now, but someone is approaching with their apology here, Page of Cups. Definitely your person is trying to communicate with you again after all this. Then future, 10 of Cups, 10 of Wands, and Knight of Wands. So you are expecting this from your person, but it is becoming like this. Yes, 10 of Cups is becoming like 10 of Wands because the total burden is on your shoulder. Your person is always taking, but not giving in return. For some, this could be the issue here because Knight of Wands always in and out of your life. There will be no stability at all. Definitely this could be the issue because we want long term commitment, not in and out or not one night stand relationship. That's why you're feeling overburdened. That's why you're guarded up. That's why you're in some confusion. And the person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So Gemini, let's see your person current feelings and their intentions. Then we will get more clarity what is going between you and your person. See, Nine of Wands. Your person is always in and out of your life. They will come when they want and they will guard it up when they don't want. So let's see their current feelings and intentions towards you. See, Devil. For some, definitely this person is toxic for you guys. And the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn. Maybe you're dealing with Cancer. Let's see their intentions also. I want clarification card for Emperor. Okay, under the deck, Six of Pentacles, Seven of Pentacles, Judgment, and Two of Pentacles. A lot of juggling here. Your person is juggling between you and their career, you and their family, or they're juggling between their head over their heart. Yes, they want balance, or they're trying to balance things in their life, and they are in the process of making decision here. Maybe some of you in this relationship may going through some legal issues right now. They're taking their time, and there will be some waiting game is going. Definitely there is no equal give and take. Your person is thinking about equal give and take here. Maybe they treated you as an option here, they're neglecting you. So the current feelings, devil, chariot, and five of cups. Yeah, they are obsessed with you. Maybe for some they addicted to you, that's why they are missing you a lot right now, and they wanna come towards you, but they are in very very slow moving energy, because right now your person is in chariot. That's why they're in slow moving. And their intentions, the world, emperor, and two of wands. Emperor clarification cards are three of wands, lovers, and five of swords. Maybe you're dealing with another Gemini here. Definitely they do love you here, but something is stopping them. Maybe their ego, and they have regrets. They know they did a mistake, but they're taking their time to make apology or to make some move towards you. But they're thinking about you a lot, and lots of you are in long distance relationship. And for some, they have to make some choice here. They have to make some decision here, and they are in that process. Yeah, definitely they will approach you, but they are taking their time, because for some, ego is stopping them. For some, circumstances are not under your person control. So let's pull some cards from universe where this relationship is headed on. Gemini. Maybe you're dealing with Virgo. Yes, your person is waiting for to take action towards you. They do love you. Right now, they're healing here, and they're thinking about you very seriously, and they really want to offer stability. That's why they're planning something big here. They're taking their time. Yeah, again, love is there between you and your person. For some, you still wanting this person back into your life, and there will be some wish fulfillment for you, Gemini. Yes, definitely they're coming to offer something big, something very solid to you, and yeah, they're very serious about you this time, and you're balancing things within yourself here. You are patiently waiting for this person. Maybe you're dealing with Sagittarius. Yeah, just second chances. Some of you, you're taking your power back here. You're emotionally becoming a very very strong person. So let's see mutual energies and final outcome between you and your person, Gemini. See, lot of cards, but so let's see, then I will explain mutual energies and final outcome between you and your person. Four of wands, ten of pentacles. Wow, stability is coming, equal give and take is coming, and for some definitely your money is very very good. Yeah, still there are some disturbances between you and your person, but definitely stability is coming. For some it will take time, because your person is taking their time here. Yes, you both are waiting for each other. Some waiting period is going, commitment is coming, and stability is coming. Wow, marriage is also involved in this relationship. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel, Gemini. Decision time. Text is coming. I still love you. I still love you. Text is coming, and decision time are the messages. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck for you. Gemini. Work through your fears. New moon in Scorpio. Maybe you're dealing with Scorpio here. So if you have any fears, first you have to You have to work through your fears, you have to overcome. And second message, be bold and make the first move. And it's time to release negativity. Full moon is Scorpio. Maybe you're dealing with Scorpio here. So if you have any negative thoughts, just release your negative thoughts. This is the messages for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.